What's up YouTube, this Neil again, and today we're going to do a unboxing of this portable Bluetooth portable speaker made by Anker, Soundcore 1, and there's a new I think second generation which is the Soundcore 2, and I got this from Amazon for $22. I believe it's regular is $30, and they're on sale right now. And as you can see, and I have this old portable speaker, which is the Jawbone Jambox. Let's see what's the quality of the sound and the bass compared to the Jawbox. The Jambox. Hey, you can go wrong with the $22. Sure. So it comes with very usual micro USB cable, and just the manuals. And that's it. There we go. So it has a mic input, the charger port, and the line in if you want to connect a auxiliary or another input from a different device. So as you can see, compared to Jambox, pretty much the same, like a half-inch longer, and wider, and the height basically the same input. It has a line in, the button basically the same. Bluetooth pairing mode, plus volume up, the play button, and the minus or lower volume, and the power. So we're gonna connect it with my phone. So let's power up. So right now I'm connected with my Jambox. So here's the sound. And let's try the Anker. Hear it? It's here. Okay, now it's connected. And then let's play the same song again. Hey, that's loud! I mean, okay, disconnect. Let's switch it with the Anker. It's too loud, but it has missing some bass on it compared to Jambox, but the sound pretty much loud. So it's powerful and too loud. This is Jambox sound. It has more bass compared to the Anker. Compare the other one. And this is the so the bass quality. This has more bass, but this is louder than this one. So $22, guys. It's pretty cheap, right? But that's why if you look the review of these on Amazon, like I believe it's like 11,000 review, and as you can see, choice of 10 million happy user. Hey, $22, you guys, Amazon, and that's it. And check it out for my next video. Bye.